Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add reviews to your big cartel website, so let's get right into it. Now for this, you're going to need to be using a third-party service. You can generate integrations into your website with widgets, for example, and then you can add them to your site using custom code. So let me show you how that is done. Now, I do recommend you search for the widgets that best fit you. I do know that Trustpilot does have a lot of functionalities. One of them is the reviews, which you can use to add to your site. But once you generate that code and generate that integration, you need to go into account and then scroll down until you get to shop design. Here, you need to click on go to shop designer, and to actually change the code of your website, you do need to have a subscription, as far as I'm aware. Other than that, you can just customize these basic things such as the fonts as well as the color palette and header images, other images, etc. But if you actually want to add and embed elements into your code, you need to go into code over here, and as you can see, both have the star, which you do need to have a subscription to access these functionalities, to add integration code as well as template codes. You can access the standard code for the site, for the template, the standard CSS, and here you can edit some elements. For example, let me change these to 50% and then click done. And as you can see, you can change those elements. And now I'm not sure what that exactly changed. However, it did change something. And as you can see, the page did reload. However, that is pretty much it. You just need to go into your code, edit it, and add the integration. I do recommend you create a new page for your reviews and then add the code to there. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.